Bam! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whenever you're watching this video, wherever you are in this beautiful world, welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel for the newcomers. My name is Didi. I say bam many times. I hodl some Bitcoins, I trade some Bitcoins, I live the Bitcoin life 24/7. In today's short TA video, I'm going to show you what Bitcoin is doing. Also going to show you how the BAM indicator is working on a long-term perspective. Really cool charts. Make sure you watch the video completely till the end, because at the end I'm going to share two extra charts that you want to see. I will keep it short but powerful. Let's quickly jump into the charts, guys. Let's bam!
I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more.
Here we are. This is the day chart, not going into the 4-hour day chart. Because why? Yesterday we closed another day above 30k. Yes, we can see that wick went almost as low here as 29,280, but this day, the 21st of July, the 20th of July, closed above 30k. We opened above 30k, and we are now about around 30k 700. So hopefully we stay and keep that support of 30k, because if we don't keep support of 30k, then we could fall down to the bottom of that trend, the bottom of that channel, which is now around 26 to 26,000 US dollar, depending on how long it will take for the candles to fall. So that's very clear channel that we can see. It's a bearish trend. You can see we are going down. This is like the high, lower high, lower high. We tried to break out, we didn't. Lower high, lower high, lower high. And if we create all these lower highs over there, lower high here, see them all over there, that means the trend is bearish. Also the lows, we have a low, we have a lower low, we have a lower low, and now this would also be a lower low. So let's see if we keep support here on this beautiful line here, the 30k. Maybe we will bounce up, go to that line again, maybe we will come down to that line again, and then you slowly can see that that line and the 30k is making this new triangle pennant that we could break out of to the top, or could break out of to that bottom. All these things are possible. That's what we are looking at. Let's jump into the next chart. Bam! In the weekly, yes, I am still positive, even if we drop as low as 25k, like you can see in these blue and green candles. Even if we touch that bottom of 25k, in my opinion, we can still go up to 100k, because that is exactly what happened in 2013 and 2017. The blue is 2013 copy, the green is 2017 copy. This is the weekly chart. Are we seeing a trend reversal on the weekly? Not yet, but at the end of this video I will share something really cool with you guys. So stay in. Give the video already a thumbs up. I didn't bring coffee because I already drank too much coffee. Let's jump into the next one. Bam. Here we see it. This is the BAM indicator, guys. The BAM indicator you use to trade on short terms. So mostly you use it, for example, this is the 30-minute chart. So you have this long flag over there, closing above the yellow stepping line at the same time. Okay, then we are going to check. We have a green dot, we have some green area, we have the green line on top, the orange in the middle, and the red on the bottom. And do we have the BAM crossing as well? Yes, we had the BAM crossing over there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 confirmations that you should have taken that long on a 30-minute. That long would have given you from here to, let's say, where we are now, not the wick, but that 3.6% without leverage. In leverage of 10, that's 36%, guys. That is a huge profit that you can take by just checking the Bam Bam indicator. If you want to check the Bam Bam indicator, then go to the bitcoinfamily.com. On our website, thebitcoinfamily.com, you will find every information about our vision, goals, the team, the family token, but also the products. And there you find the TikTok, the liquidity provider, the Bam Bam indicator, a shop, and the BFED. All kinds of information on this website. Just click the BAM, for example, and you will see all the information on the Bam Bam indicator. Just take a look over there, guys. Now let's jump in the really cool charts. Two more charts. Keep in. This is what you will really like, in my opinion. Let's jump into the first one. Bam, over here. I'm going to make my face smaller for this one because it needs to be over here, like something like that. This is also a chart that I created with the Bam Bam indicator. The idea came from one of our VIP members. The name of his Ilgan, the VIP member. He came with this idea. He said, Didi, why don't we use the Bam Bam indicator on the weekly time frame? And he made a PDF and he shared that PDF with the family members, because that's what the Bitcoin family is about. We are all family members. We say BAM together. We do all this stuff together. And he shared his idea, and I started to fact check and track his idea, and I loved it. So the Bam Bam indicator called long 9 times on the weekly chart since the 2017 top. And you can see the 2017 top completely here on the left of the chart. That's the 2017 top. Since that moment, 9 times you can see this green flag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Those 9 times, 7 times, the call was perfect. 2 times, the call was also okay, but you need to take profit in the same week. So it was a very short call. Those 2 times that I didn't like is this time over there. I'm going to draw on the chart. Maybe that's more easy. That one with the red circle and this one with the red circle. You can see there's a long flag, but very quickly a short flag as well. So those 2 times, 1 and 2, I didn't like. The other 7 had an average profit of 126% after the long flag. The smallest one was 16%, that is this one over there. And the biggest one was 430%, that is this one over there. But on average, every time again and again, when you saw that long flag, 57% profit, long flag, 43% profit, long flag, 250% profit, long flag, 40% profit, long flag, 42% profit, long flag, 16% profit, long flag, 437% profit. And yes, also the shorts are doing perfectly, and they all made profits as well on the Bam Bam indicator. I'm just looking at the longs because why? The long flag just started to flash again. So on the weekly, be aware, there's a weekly chart. The long flag flashed again, and of the last 9 times, 7 times it had a huge profit, 2 times it had a very small profit. So that's a 126% profit of the 7 good trades. If this long flag will turn into a very good trade, that means that will be a very powerful long. And that is what this long was over there. The 400% was very powerful because the long flag appeared, and then also the green area appeared. Now we have a long flag, but we are still in the yellow. If this yellow turns green this or the next week, we can see another huge run. If it stays yellow, we will probably see a smaller run, like for example this long flag over there. Look, that was in the yellow area, so that was a 60%. This also was in the yellow area, that was a 40%, like you can see over there. So that is now the question: will this stay yellow? Will we only have a 16 or 40% run, or will we turn into green and will we have a very powerful run? This is the Bam Bam indicator on the weekly chart, guys. So as you can see, you can use the Bam Bam in all kinds of ways. I really like this one. Thank you, Ilgan, for sharing this with the community. If you want more information about the Bam Bam, again, go to thebitcoinfamily.com. This chart I already shared this week. This is for me also a very powerful chart that I'm still watching because it's very important. That's the last chart of today. This is the Bitcoin stock to flow model, the price versus the actual. It was made by libertarian. Yes, you just analyze the chart again. You can see that 373 days after the halving, you could buy Bitcoin with a 65% discount. This is this pink circle. It took another 90 days to go up and reach that blue line in the middle. So that's 463 days from the bottom green line to that blue line in the middle. Now if you look at this time again, it took 430 days after the halving to get to that green bottom line at the bottom of that pink circle to get Bitcoin with a 58% discount. If we copy the move of 2017, it will take another 90 days to reach that blue line in the middle, and that will be around 75k, like you can see on the chart. That is a very, very, very powerful chart that I'm going to look at as if this is the prediction of the market movement that we are going to see. And yes, on the weekly chart, we just saw BAM, the BAM, 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 BAM is also indicating a possible trend reversal on the weekly. 7 of the 9 times it was a perfect trade. So let's see how the BAM BAM performs on the weekly. We will see this in the next couple of weeks. Guys, if you really enjoyed this short, powerful TA video, then give the video a thumbs up, a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment. What do you think about this chart of the BAM BAM indicator, the weekly one? And do you think on the weekly time frame we are slowly turning around because we also kept the support at the 30k? Or are you still the believer of the bear situation where we fall all the way back to 24k, maybe with a wick, and bounce back above 30k then? Let me know down below in the comments. I love to read your comments, yes, and also reply to them. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you tomorrow again, guys. Bam!